Hello. Today we'll learn how to turn Excel table to chart. Let's start. This is our table, and we want to turn this data to chart like this. Press left click and select all the 2 rows data. Go to Insert menu. You can select your chart from here, and this is our chart. But the 2 rows data appear beside each other. If you want to put the data on XY chart, press left click and select all the 2 rows data. Go to Insert menu and select one of the scatter chart. Drag and drop anywhere as you want. From the plus sign at the right corner, you can change the properties of the chart shape. You can select this to hide and unhide the axes. Also, you can select this to show the axis titles or hide them. And the same for the chart title. You can hide and unhide data labels from here for both axes. You can hide and unhide the error bar, and the same for the grid lines, legend, and trend line. That is all.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.